Hi, I'm Aggarwal and this is Desi Dhaba. Desi Dhaba is about true home-cooked Indian Punjabi food. So tonight we'll be cooking. I've been living and working in China now for 13 years. And back then it was really hard to get ingredients. I got what I could and made what I could. And then started having friends over for dinner. Yeah, it's becoming a bigger passion project. The butter chicken.
Yay!
The butter chicken. An Amritsari fish. So it's basically a fish fry. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to bring my food to people in Shanghai. I don't cook for the masses. I definitely cook for intimate dinner parties, and that's my style and my concept. So it's all about people feeling welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Feeling taken care of and having fun. That's what I do.